Along a dusty country road, a beautiful tractor rolls. Blue side round wheels, and in the trailer 7 watermelons. Woo, 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 woo. Over the bumps, hold on tight, watermelon, my friend. But one couldn't hold on, he rolled onto the road. The striped ball rolls and spins past the bushes, over the bumps, and the cart going to work. Strong oak tree hits it open, sweet as the sun. Right leg, Africa side cracks. Juice splashes, pop, 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 click their tongues. The bunnies perked up their ears. Everyone came running to the watermelon. Yum, 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 and the tummies so delicious, simply delicious. Hedgehog peeks out from the grass. Can I have at least a slice, guys? The tractor hums merrily, the feast never ends. There's still plenty in the trailer, we can all hum a piece.